Preventing sinusitis involves taking measures to reduce your risk of developing inflammation and infections in the sinuses. Here are some tips to help prevent sinusitis. Maintain good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating and after being in public places. This helps prevent the spread of germs that can cause sinus infections. Keep nasal passages moist. Use a saline nasal spray or a saline rinse to keep your nasal passages moist. This can help prevent irritation and inflammation that can lead to sinusitis. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help keep your mucous membranes hydrated and functioning properly. Avoid irritants. Avoid exposure to irritants such as cigarette smoke, strong chemicals, and pollutants, which can irritate the nasal passages and increase your risk of sinusitis. Use a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your home can help keep the air moist, which can prevent your nasal passages from drying out and becoming irritated. Practice good sinus health. Avoid excessive blowing of your nose, as this can irritate the nasal passages and increase your risk of sinusitis. Also, try to avoid situations where you might get a cold or the flu, as these illnesses can increase your risk of developing sinusitis. Manage underlying conditions. If you have conditions such as asthma or cystic fibrosis that can increase your risk of sinusitis, work with your healthcare provider to manage these conditions effectively. Avoid changes in air pressure. Changes in air pressure, such as those experienced during air travel or scuba diving, can sometimes trigger sinusitis. If you're prone to sinus problems, try to avoid situations where you might experience rapid changes in air pressure. Seek prompt treatment for infections. If you develop symptoms of a sinus infection, such as facial pain, nasal congestion, and thick nasal discharge, see your healthcare provider promptly for appropriate treatment. Prompt treatment can help prevent the infection from worsening and reduce your risk of developing complications such as chronic sinusitis.